Hey trainers, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing awesome. In today's video, I'll show you how to catch Gimmighoul in Pokemon Go, the chest Pokemon. Gimmighoul comes in two forms, chest form and roaming form. So here's how to get it, and make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to catch a Gimmighoul. First, for the chest form, look for Gimmighoul coins at Pokestop that appears as treasure chest. Simply go near a Pokestop and you will find it pretty soon. Pin this Pokestop and you will encounter Gimmighoul inside the chest. Catch it just like any wild Pokemon using Pokeball, and simply throw your Pokeball to the center of the Pokemon so that you will have higher chances of catching it. Another form is called roaming form, and some events or quests may feature roaming Gimmighoul outside of chest. Walk around the map and check wild spawns. It can appear during specific events. Collect Gimmighoul coins regularly to evolve it into Goldion later. So you can collect the coins and use it to evolve the Gimmighoul to Goldion, and that's it. Now you know how to get Gimmighoul in Pokemon Go. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe and share this video with your friends who are hunting Gimmighoul. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.